Good day, everyone!
How are you all doing?
Today, our team
El Trabajadora de Cascia.
We'll be discussing about
integration or antiderivative.
We hope that you will learn a lot from us today. But first, let us know what is integration.
Integral calculus is the inverse of differentiation. In simple terms, it joins pieces together in order to find out how much there is to the whole piece.
You're right, Romela. Thank you for that brief description. Now, without further ado, let's head to our equation.
Hello everyone, I am Romela, and together with Pearl, we are going to solve this equation, which is to find the integral of 3 over x with respect to x. So first and foremost, looking at this equation, we can say that it can be solved using the linearity rule of integration, wherein a constant factor in an integral can be moved outside the integral sign. So let's continue. We see 3 here, right? So we are going to move 3 out of the numerator and put it before the integral sign. It is also stated that whenever you move the constant, you are going to be left with 1 in the numerator in this kind of equation. So the equation now looks like this. 3 integral of 1 over x with respect to x. Now, using the reciprocal rule, the antiderivative of 1 over x is always the normal log of the absolute value of x plus c. Lastly, we need to add the constant that we took out before, which is 3, back into the equation and multiply it with the normal log of the absolute value of x. So, that gives us 3 normal log of the absolute value of x plus c. Now, this is the final answer.
Thank you so much for watching. We hope you learned a lot.
Adelante.